Hello, this is Aurelian. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to turn a standard image into a vector image in Illustrator. Okay, I've already got an image that I want to use. In this case, the two bathroom symbols, but I want just the figures on their own. So let's save the image. Buffer. Fix. Okay. Now, we should be able to just open this in Illustrator straight. Yeah. Now, Illustrator has a very nice feature for saving time. You can simply go image trace. So let's go black and white logo. That normally does a very nice job there. So here we go. Here we go. Now, in Illustrator, whenever you need to edit an image or get further into your work, or in this case, just modify this from what it's already got, you expand it, and you get given this. You see it's got all the lines running. And then if you need to get into it, say it's a group. So in this case, it's just one big group. You double click it. You'll see it's going in further. You can't edit them separately yet, so double click again. And there we go. Now we got everything separate. See, all separate paths, which we can delete at will. Oops, daisy. Okay, so these are on separate pieces. So there we go. Okay, what we're gonna have to do is find these separate paths and continue separating them until we actually get the end bits. Okay, let's copy the female out and go back. New layer, Control-V, there we go. And edit the male. Oops. There. There's the male. Make a new layer for him. Paste. Give him a fill. Okay, that's interesting. I'm not allowed to give it UI color. There. Perfect. But you see we've got a little bit of it. No, we don't. Okay. Well, we've got our image all separated. With still some distortion, but we can get rid of that. There. See, now we've got two separate images, completely vectorized. We can zoom in as much as we want, and it'll keep that form. Unlike our PNG, which will not do that. As I'll show you now. See, it's already pixelating. And we don't want that, especially if we're going to use it to give to another program like Shape Collage or something like that that wants to get their outlines, or even if we want to take this into Cinema 4D. This would cause us quite a bit of problems. Okay, there you go. There is your individual images, all vectorized nicely with very minimal fuss. Goodbye. This was another tutorial from Aurelian.